Welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally! Yeah, I said finally because I've been wanting to do this for like a very long period of time, but for some reason or the other, I kept pushing and postponing. But here, yeah! Apparently, today I came with more vibes than the video itself. But let's say I'm just hyper. I'm always hyper. Let's say I'm super excited, yes.
Take a cup of tea, okay? Chill down.
So some of us go to some of our occasions barefaced. Not because we want to go there and do naturalista. Or we want to go there and show them that we are fine. It's because you cannot draw your brows. Today's video is for you because in today's video we're going to be doing beginner friendly brow tutorial from start to finish. Be sure to give a thumbs up, like, drop your comments down below, subscribe and share this video. Without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. Welcome back, guys. Yeah, sorry this video is not going to be as stable, but I'll try my best to make it clear and understandable. And yes, I'm going to be listing all the materials, all the products I'm going to be using in this video down in the description box. So right now I am setting a brows, I already shaped brows with the RCMA No-colour setting powder. No-colour setting powder by RCMA. I'm using it to set a brows with my beauty blender. Just like tapping and smoothing. So right now I'm going to be using Davis pencil, the Eyepencil Davis pencil in number 3. Yes, 3. Right now I'm going to be outlining a brows. And in outlining your brows, guys, please, you have to be as precise as possible. You have to make this as precisely as you can. And yes, please follow the shape of your brows. Please kindly follow the shape of your brows. You're making this as precise as possible just so you get what you want. You don't get mushy brows. If it's just anyhow, you have to like conceal and keep concealing and defining and everything. And as you keep concealing and rejoin like that, your brows will get mushy and you definitely don't want that. So I'm just doing the one on top, right on top of it. And now I'm filling in from the outer corner right into the inner corner. I'm filling in around this side, the middle. You fill in with upward strokes, like filling in for the strands of hair that are not there. And yes, for the outer, is it outer or inner? This side where I am right now, sharp. You use your pencil to make hair-like strands, just so it's not as thick, so you have something very faint. Please make that side as faint as possible to give you a look as natural as it could. So you use your spoolie. I'm using my spoolie right now to brush over and to brush this side, those hair-like strands I placed, brush it in and out and everything, just to make it faint and not look too, get gist. You can always go in again with your pencil and just add things you think you need to add. Don't be scared of mistakes. It's your makeup. You can always go back. You can always do something to something. You can always do anything. So yes, mistakes are bound to happen, but you can correct it. So right now, we're just going to be like defining the brow with the LA Girl concealer in shade Warm Honey for the lower arc area. Yes, just like that. And I'm going to be using foundation for the other areas, for the other sides of the brow. That way it will be easy for you to blend out. But if you know you won't have any problems blending out and everything, you can just use your concealer all through like that. But for easy blending out and blending in, I advise you should use your foundation in your shade, in your color. And you can do this using an angle brush or a flat brush, just like I am doing. So right now I am using the Zikel Foundation in shade number 30. Yes, number 30 for the outer corner, the inner corner, for easy blending. Yeah, just like that. So I'm going to be using a flat brush for the upper area of the brow, and I just shed off excess foundation on the brush on her forehead. So just like that, you're going to use a flat brush to define your brows with your foundation foundation in your shade, just like that. So yeah, you just recreate this look with these steps on your second brow to make your second brow, just like that. So yeah, guys, you don't have to go to that occasion without your brows on fleek anymore. You go there with your brows on fleek, like you're the one that organized everything. Yeah, anybody. So yeah, just like that, we've come towards the end of this video. Please be sure to like the video, drop your comments down below, and subscribe. Just blend out. You can use your beauty blender for this, and if you want to use your brush, you can just use it. And yeah, catch you in my next video, guys. I love you.